Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's do some flint and steel technique today. And I want to use quartz to strike the steel with. Now, upstate South Carolina may not have much chert and flint, but we have lots of quartz. So we'll find some quartz out in the woods and then whatever tinder we can find for a tinder bundle, and go ahead and ignite some char cloth and get the tinder bundle going. But this is the steel I'll be using today, and you can't really see that. Black diamond is a Nicholson file. Bought them out, I don't remember if it was in the 60s, and because of name recognition they kept the black diamond name. But let me file off some of this corrosion and see if we can make that logo look better. There's no way I could make it down those steep terraces without my high dollar 3/4 inch PVC staff. And I got the tripod. Let's head that way. A lot of times these tree roots will dredge up some pretty decent quartz. So let's investigate. No, that's not quartz. I know some better locations. All I found here was sandstone, mica, and granite. So let's keep looking. That looks promising. There's big crystals of quartz in that. This looks like quartz. So let's try it out. Let's try it out. Yeah, that's quartz. Let me get in the shadow so you can see the sparks coming off of my steel. All right, the only place I'm getting sparks off of this is where it's obviously big quartz crystals. The rest of this is kind of like sandstone. So let me get a piece of char cloth in the wind. My tinder bundle is under my arm, and I'm going to tear this in half. Lay both halves on top of each other. And I think I get the best sparks off of this surface here. Let's try that. I saw one go in on it, but it didn't ignite it. And we'll try this edge right here. Good. And we're not going to let this go to flames too much before I put it out. There's no need to take the chance. And there you have it. Let's go find one more piece of quartz. I know there's better quartz out here than that. And we'll try it again. Here's a piece that looks like rose quartz. Let's grab it up and see what it is. Oh yeah, that's quartz. That's a good piece of quartz. Let's get out here in the sun. Now that is a great piece of quartz. Look at that thing. I was going to show you this piece right down here. It was just right in the middle of the path. But it's not as good as that rose quartz we just found. But you can see the big crystals within this one too. This is the one I want to try. Let me get in the shadows and just start throwing sparks off of this. Well, throwing sparks off the steel. What's going on is that this quartz is a 7 hardness and the steel is a 6.5 hardness. So when you strike it, it scrapes off microscopic pieces of iron. Now you might say, no, that's steel you're working with. Well, actually it's the iron in steel that is pyrophoric. When you scrape off small enough pieces of it, those particles react with the oxygen in the air to spontaneously combust. So let me get in the shadows and see if we can make some sparks. We'll try these rose quartz crystals. They're actually throwing the most. Let's go ahead and put our char cloth up on top of that. Tear it in half. It'll expose all of these fibers. And a lot of times if it won't lay down like it's supposed to, I'll fold it in half again. So we have 4 layers of fibers. Let's try that. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Yep, that's coming home with me. Let me show you how steep this trail is. The fire table's right over there. And it's a bit of a struggle for somebody that only has one knee that works. That's pretty much why you don't see me back here in the woods a whole lot. We'll catch you on the next one.